For decades, astronomers shared a thrilling prediction. The Milky Way and Andromeda, two giant galaxies, each hosting billions of stars, were on a collision course. The drama unfolding across space seemed inevitable. Headlines promised an epic clash, billions of years in the future, that would reshape our cosmic neighborhood forever. But now, a curious twist has appeared in the story. Recent research suggests the future may not be so certain. Some scientists say there is only a 50-50 chance that our galaxy will ever collide with Andromeda at all. The universe, it seems, is full of surprises. This change challenges long-held beliefs. It calls into question what we thought we knew about the fate of our home galaxy. Suddenly, the old tale of a galactic crash feels more like a cosmic cliffhanger. For the first time, we must consider that the greatest collision in our local universe might never take place. What new evidence has changed the outlook, and why does it matter? The answer lies in the complex dance of galaxies and the forces that bind them. Until recently, the idea of a galactic merger seemed almost certain. Andromeda is the Milky Way's nearest large neighbor, sitting about 2.5 million light-years away. Scientists measured its speed and direction, and it looked like a straight shot for our galaxy. The fate of both galaxies seemed sealed. But science is always evolving. As telescopes grew more powerful, astronomers noticed small details that did not quite fit. Andromeda wasn't moving exactly as predicted. Its path contained a twist, a subtle motion sideways across the sky. This sideways or tangential movement was tiny but crucial. It meant Andromeda was not heading directly toward us, but instead glancing past us. For the first time, a new question appeared. Could the galaxies simply miss each other, passing in the vastness of space? The mystery deepened as new data poured in. The cosmic collision so many expected was no longer guaranteed. The universe, always mysterious, had kept a secret about our galactic neighbor's path. A new, groundbreaking study has shaken up the story even more. Using the European Space Agency's Gaia spacecraft, a team of astronomers measured the motions of stars in both the Milky Way and Andromeda with stunning precision. The Gaia data revealed that Andromeda's movement is more sideways than anyone had realized. This new information changed everything. When scientists combined Gaia's results with computer simulations, they found something shocking. There is now only about a 50% chance that the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge. The future is not written in the stars after all. Even more surprisingly, other galaxies are influencing the outcome. Galaxies like M33, the Triangulum galaxy, and the large Magellanic Cloud, a smaller companion to the Milky Way, are pulling on both the Milky Way and Andromeda. Their gravity is nudging the giants off their expected paths. The new research paints a picture of a universe more dynamic and interconnected than we ever dreamed. Each new discovery makes the story richer and more uncertain. Why does the gravity of other galaxies matter? Imagine the Milky Way and Andromeda as two dancers on a crowded floor. For years, we watched only them, thinking their steps would bring them together. But now we see that there are many more dancers, other galaxies, swirling nearby, each with its own pull. M33, though smaller than Andromeda, is close enough to tug on both galaxies. The large Magellanic Cloud, once thought too minor to matter, is also dragging at the Milky Way's stars. These nearby galaxies act like cosmic partners, gently steering the giants as they move. As a result, neither the Milky Way nor Andromeda travels in a straight line. Their paths wobble and bend as they respond to these outside forces. Over millions of years, even a small nudge can make a huge difference. This realization changes everything. The fate of our galaxy depends not just on its own speed and direction, but on the silent influence of its neighbors. The universe is a web of connections, each tug reshaping the future. Sideways, or tangential, motion is the hidden key to this cosmic puzzle. For decades, astronomers measured how fast Andromeda was moving toward us, but only recently have we been able to measure how much it is moving across the sky. If Andromeda moves straight at us, a collision is almost certain. But if it has enough tangential motion, it could miss us entirely or only brush by. Even a tiny sideways speed, over millions of years, can separate the galaxies by vast distances. Measuring this motion is not easy. Astronomers must track the positions of stars with incredible accuracy. They use powerful telescopes and sophisticated software to detect the faintest drift. Gaia's mission has made these measurements possible for the first time. The result is a more complicated and fascinating future. Will the Milky Way and Andromeda crash together, glide past each other, or dance around for billions of years more? The answer lies in the sideways steps of a galaxy. With this new understanding, we must imagine the future as a cosmic dance, not a straight march to collision. The Milky Way and Andromeda are partners in a grand ballet, swirling around each other under the influence of gravity. Yet, they are not alone. The floor is crowded with other galaxies, each playing their part. One possible future is the dramatic merger we once expected. The galaxies could still crash together, their stars mingling, creating a new, larger galaxy. Another possibility is a close flyby, a near miss, with both galaxies slingshotting away from each other, changed but separate. There is even a scenario where nothing much happens for billions of years. The extra sideways motion and gravitational tugs could stretch out the dance, delaying any merger far into the future. The universe might never see the collision we once thought was certain. This dance of uncertainty is a reminder of how much we still do not know. Each step, each swirl, depends on measurements and forces we are only now beginning to understand. For astronomers, the fate of the Milky Way and Andromeda is more than a distant curiosity. It is a key to understanding how galaxies grow and change over time. Galactic mergers are thought to shape the structure of the universe, how stars are born, how black holes form, and how cosmic dust moves. If the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, it will be a chance to study what happens when two giant galaxies become one. But if they do not, it suggests that mergers may not be as common as once believed. The entire story of galaxy evolution could be different. By studying our own neighborhood, scientists learn about the wider universe. The tools and techniques developed to track Andromeda's motion can be used to study galaxies far beyond our own. The lessons we learn here echo across space. Most importantly, this new uncertainty teaches us to keep questioning. The universe is not simple or predictable, it is full of wonder, and every answer brings new questions. The discovery that the Milky Way's fate is not sealed is a powerful reminder of the universe's unpredictability. For all our advanced tools and careful measurements, the cosmos still holds mysteries beyond our grasp. The future is open, shaped by forces and motions we are only beginning to see. This revelation is humbling and inspiring. It shows that science is a journey, not a destination. Every discovery leads to new frontiers, and even the biggest stories can change with a single new piece of evidence. Knowing that the Milky Way might never collide with Andromeda changes how we see our place in the cosmos. We are part of a living, moving universe, where nothing is certain and everything is possible. The story of our galaxy is not written in stone. This openness invites us to keep exploring. It tells us that the universe, like life itself, is a story still being told. The new science about the Milky Way and Andromeda is not an ending but a beginning. It opens the door to more questions, more discoveries, and more wonder. As we watch the galaxies dance across the sky, we are reminded that our place in the universe is both unique and still uncertain. For scientists, this is a call to action. Every new telescope, every new mission, brings us closer to understanding our cosmic fate. For everyone, it is a reminder that the universe is alive with possibility. The most dramatic events once thought certain may never happen at all. As we look up at the stars, we see not just light, but history and mystery. The Milky Way's journey is far from over. The story of its fate and ours is still being written. In the end, the greatest discovery is that the universe is open and free. Our future, like the dance of the galaxies, is full of promise and surprise.